Hey, this is Andrew Brown from Exam Pro, and we're taking a look at sensitivity labels. So, sensitivity labels allow you to apply a label to your documents or emails, and the most common way is through built-in dropdown within Office 365 products. So, labels are customizable. Admins can create different categories specific to the organization, such as personal, public, confidential, and highly confidential. They are clear text because each label is stored in clear text in the contents metadata. Third-party apps and services can read it and then apply their own protective actions if necessary, and they're persistent. When you apply a sensitivity label to content, the label is stored in the email or documents metadata. The label follows the content, including the protection settings, and this data is used to apply and enforce policies. So here we have an example for Microsoft Word, one for Excel, and here's one from Outlook. The idea is that you do your business as per usual, but you'd have to go ahead and classify that information into a particular sensitivity. So sensitivity labeling makes it easy to apply content marketing or encryption. Content markings would be like watermarks, warnings that are applied to the header and footer of a document. So notice here, you can turn it on and you can say, add this watermark with this customized text, add this header, add this footer. I think you can even customize some of the colors, but are very limited, but it does the job. The other one is encryption. So apply encryption and specify which users and groups may decrypt and other fine-tuned permissions. So the idea is you would turn the encryption on, then you would select the users, groups, etc. who could do it. Then they have these broad categories. And so this particular one is for email, but here you choose which permissions are allowed. So are you allowed to view the content? Can you save the email? Are you allowed to reply to the email? Are you allowed to forward the email? So it's very fine-tuned. It's not just encryption, even though that's what it is. So within Microsoft Purview, under classification, you can see the distribution of sensitive labels applied to documents and emails or based on location. So this gives you a visual to help you understand where these labels are located. On the left-hand side shows what sensitivity labels have been applied to the content. And then on the right here, it shows the location of where sensitivity labels are applied. So, sensitivity labels can be used to provide protection settings that include encryption and content markings, protect content in Office apps across different platforms and devices, protect content in third-party apps and services, protect containers, extend sensitivity labels to Power BI, extend sensitivity labels to assets in Azure, extend sensitivity labels to third-party apps and services, and classify content without using any protection settings. So, that's sensitivity labels.